Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about characteristics of living, in which we're talking first about the growth. Growth. Growth is of two types: growth by mass and growth by numbers. Growth by mass is again of two types: external growth and internal growth. External growth is due to this is initial size, but due to external growth this become larger. The external growth is due to deposition from outside or layer formation. This type of growth is found in non-livings. Example of this type of growth is stones, sand mounds. One more example is mountains and stones. That means we can say boulders. So this is all about the growth, that is external growth, which found in a non-living. Next we're talking about another type of growth is internal growth. Internal growth is, suppose this is the initial size, but this time this growth from inside, and due to this the size increases, mass increases. In a both type of growth the weight increases. So this time again size increases, but due to the internal growth or due to inside growth from inside, and this type of growth is found in livings, and this type of growth is found in all type of livings. And now we're talking about another type of growth by numbers. And growth by numbers is actually we're talking through cell division. Growth by numbers through cell division, in which the one cell is divides into two cells, and this cell further divides. So one cell forms two cells, and this two cells further form four cells. This type of division take place, and we can count numbers of cell with using microscope. So this numbers of cell is countable with microscope, and this type of growth is also found in livings, and in both type of living, like in a unicellular and multicellular living organisms. So this is about the characteristics growth, and this type of growth is found in both living and non-livings. So the question is generally the what is only term growth is properly explaining to the living. The term growth is not explaining properly to the living, because if we say term growth, the external growth is also coming, and which only found in a non-living. But we especially saying internal growth is properly defining to the living, then answer is yes. Yes, because internal growth is only take place in a living. Similarly, if we're talking about the number of cell through cell division, number growth through the cell division is properly defining to the living, then answer is again yes, because it take place only in the livings. So the number growth by cell division is also properly defining to the living. So this is about the growth. Next we're talking about another characteristics. The next characteristic is reproduction. Reproduction is again of two types. First is asexual reproduction, and another is sexual reproduction. In a sexual reproduction, parents, that is father and mother, forms their kids, or we can say progeny, and this progeny character of kids or progeny, some character of kids are matching with their parents. So this happen in the sexual reproduction. Some characters of kids are matching with their parents. Now we're talking about another type of sexual reproduction, that is asexual reproduction. In this asexual reproduction, again of various type. First type we talk is asexual reproduction, in which we're talking about the asexual spore. Asexual spore is this type of spore is found in a fungi. Fungi can spread easily and multiply with millions of asexual spore, which they produce. So this is about asexual spore. We're looking for the second type of asexual reproduction, is budding. We continue this video